Welcome to Speakment, where learning English becomes simple, smart, and enjoyable.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Speakment Daily. I'm Sara.
And I'm John.
Today, we're talking about something we all do every day. Talking about yesterday.
Yes! In English, when we talk about yesterday, we use the simple past tense. It's super useful.
It is. So today, we'll share what we did yesterday, explain some rules, and give you lots of examples. Ready, Sara?
Ready! Okay, John, let's start easy. What did you do yesterday morning?
Yesterday morning, I woke up at 6:45 a.m. I was a little tired, but I got up fast.
Why did you get up so early?
Because I went for a jog. I ran for 30 minutes. After that, I took a shower.
Wow! I woke up at 8 a.m. I didn't run. I made coffee first. I needed it.
Coffee is important. Notice we said woke up, went, ran, took, made. All past tense.
Right. Most of those are irregular verbs. They don't end in ed, like go, went, run, ran.
Exactly. But some are regular, like walk, walked. Yesterday, I walked to the park after my jog.
I walked to the store. So regular verbs add ed. Irregular verbs, you must remember them.
Good tip. Let's talk about breakfast. Sara, what did you eat yesterday?
I ate toast and jam. I drank orange juice. It was delicious.
I ate oatmeal and bananas. I didn't drink coffee yesterday. Too late for coffee.
Oh, so for negatives, we say didn't plus base verb. I didn't drink coffee, not I didn't drink.
Perfect. That's a big mistake for learners. Always didn't plus base form.
Okay, let's move to the afternoon. What did you do after 12 p.m., John?
In the afternoon, I worked from home. I had 2 online meetings. I talked to my team.
I went to the city. I had lunch with my sister. We ate pizza and laughed a lot.
Nice. Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a new notebook and some pens. I paid with cash.
I didn't buy anything. I saved money yesterday. I stayed home and read a book.
Read is tricky. Present and past are spelled the same, but past sounds like read. I read a book last night.
Good point. Read in past sounds like the color red. So yesterday, I read about space.
Let's explain questions again. If I want to ask you, I say, did you read? Not, did you read it?
Right. Did plus subject plus base verb. Did you read? Yes, I did. I read for 1 hour.
Did you like it?
Yes, I did. I liked it a lot. Regular verb. Like, liked.
Evening time. This is fun. What did you do yesterday evening?
I cooked dinner at 7 p.m. I made spaghetti. Then I watched a movie with my roommate.
What movie did you watch?
We watched a comedy. We laughed so much. It finished at 9:30 p.m.
I didn't watch a movie. I called my mom. We talked for 40 minutes.
Then what did you do?
After the call, I exercised. I did yoga for 20 minutes. Then I took a bath.
You were busy. Did you go to bed late?
A little. I went to bed at 11 p.m. I was tired, but happy.
I went to bed at 10 p.m. I slept well. Sleep, slept. Another irregular one.
Let's do a quick recap of verbs we used. Listen and repeat in your head.
Woke up, got up, went, ran, took, made, ate, drank, worked, had, talked, bought, paid, saved, stayed, read, cooked, watched, laughed, finished, called, did, was, slept.
Some are regular. Worked, talked, laughed, finished, called, stayed, saved. Add ed.
Many are irregular. Went, ran, ate, drank, had, bought, made, took, read, slept. Must memorize.
Quick game. I say present, you say past. Ready, John?
Ready.
C.
Yesterday I saw a dog in the park.
Right.
Wrote. I wrote an email yesterday.
Think.
Thought. I thought about my plans. Your turn. Bring. Brought. I brought lunch to work. Feel. Felt. I felt happy yesterday. This is fun. Listeners, try this with a friend. Say a verb, say the past.
Let's talk about time phrases. They help show its past. Yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, in 2020.
Examples. I visited my grandma 2 days ago. I started English class last month.
I moved to this city last year. I graduated in 2023.
Without time words, you can still use past. I lost my keys. When? Maybe yesterday, maybe before.
But yesterday makes it clear, so always try to add a time word when you practice.
True. Now let's make full stories. I'll go first. 1 minute about my yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. I woke up early and went for a run. I came home and ate breakfast. Then I worked on my computer. At 1 p.m., I ate lunch and read news. In the afternoon, I had a meeting. After work, I called my friend. We talked about movies. At night, I cooked, watched TV, and went to bed at 10. It was a normal day.
Great! Now me. Yesterday was busy. I woke up at 8, drank coffee, and checked my phone. I went to the city by bus. I met my sister for lunch. We talked and laughed. Then I went shopping and bought some pens. I came home at 5. I did yoga, made dinner, and called my mom. I watched one video online. Then I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and slept at 11. I felt good.
I love how we used first, then, after that, at night. Those words connect ideas.
Yes, sequence words help. First, I woke up. Then I ate. After that, I went to work. Finally, I slept.
Let's help listeners make their own story. Use this formula.
1. Start. Yesterday,
2. Morning. I woke up. I ate.
3. Afternoon. I went. I saw.
4. Evening. I came home. I did.
5. End. I went to bed at.
Example. Yesterday, I woke up at 7. I ate eggs. In the afternoon, I went to the bank. In the evening, I watched a show. I went to bed at 9.
See? 5 sentences. Easy. Now you try. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Don't use past after did.
Wrong. Did you went? Right. Did you go?
Number 2. Don't forget didn't for negatives.
Wrong. I no went. Right. I didn't go.
Number 3. Pronunciation. Ended has 2 syllables. End, ed. Watched has 1. Watched. T sound. Let's practice sounds. Repeat after me. Wanted. Wanted. Needed. Needed. Walked. Walked. Talked. Talked. Stopped. Stopped. Good. If verb ends in T or D, add ed as extra syllable, like visit, visited. We're almost at 15 minutes. Let's do one last thing. Quick questions. John, ask me.
Did you have fun yesterday?
Yes, I did. I had a lot of fun. Did you learn something new yesterday? Yes, I did. I learned a new English word. Yesterday. Just kidding. Okay, listeners, your homework. Write 5 sentences about yesterday. Use 3 irregular verbs and 2 regular verbs. Post them in the comments. We will read them. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Yesterday, I made mistakes too, but I learned. That's it for today. I'm John. And I'm Sarah. Thanks for chatting with us about yesterday.
Talk about your day, and your English will get better. See you next time.